Hi kids! Welcome to another fun lesson. Today, we are going to learn how to use I, my, you and your in sentences. Let's explore this with fun examples. Let's start with I and my. We use I when we are talking about ourselves, and my when something belongs to us. Let's look at some examples. Look at this girl. She says, I am a girl. My name is Soniya. Can you say it with me? I am a girl. My name is Soniya. Great job. This is Maya. She says, I am Maya. This is my book. Let's say it together. I am Maya. This is my book. Amazing. This boy says, I am your brother. You are my sister. Repeat after me. I am your brother. You are my sister. Awesome work. Now let's talk about you and your. We use you to talk to someone, and your to describe something that belongs to them. Let's see some examples. This boy says to Ravi, you are Ravi. This is your ice cream. Say it with me. You are Ravi. This is your ice cream. Great. This boy says to his friend, you are my friend. This is your bat. Let's say it together. You are my friend. This is your bat. Fantastic. A mother says to her son, I am your mother. You are my son. Can you repeat that? I am your mother. You are my son. Wonderful. Great work today, everyone. Now you know how to use I, my, you and your in sentences. Keep practicing to get even better. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video with your friends. See you next time. Bye-bye.